it is very loud here. I'm outside BJP headquarters and you can see Devendra Fadnavis there along with Bawankule. A cake cutting ceremony is going on at this point. Several other top BJP leaders also present. Devendra Fadnavis, man of the moment at BJP headquarters, celebrating the victory. Of course, he did address people just a while ago and also took a press conference along with Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar. Spoke about how this is a win against fake narrative, an unprecedented victory of sorts. BJP winning almost every seat except a few. He says fake narrative has been busted and defeated in the state of Maharashtra. This is nothing but a blessing of citizens of the state of Maharashtra. Ladki Behan scheme and several such schemes for farmers, women, youth really worked wonders as far as Mahayuti is concerned. So yes, this is a huge day for the BJP, for Mahayuti. Celebrations going on. You can see dhols, drums, saffron all around the BJP office in Nariman Point. Those are the drummers there. They've been at it since this afternoon and several thousands of BJP karyakartas in and around this particular place. Saffron flag, BJP flag all around the podium erected just to celebrate the victory. You can see Fadnavis's pictures, posters being flashed by people here. It is a huge moment for BJP, of course, and Fadnavis also thanking Prime Minister Modi, Amit Shah, JP Nadda and several top leaders of the BJP. Of course, this is in a way vindicating the position of BJP and Mahayuti particularly, especially after the Lok Sabha defeat. We know for a fact that it was a massive defeat for the BJP, for Mahayuti, after which this is certainly a comeback, and the man behind that is none other than Devendra Fadnavis, who has made this possible for the BJP and for Mahayuti, of course. So not just Devendra Fadnavis, but also Eknath Shinde. Under the chief ministership of Eknath Shinde, multiple schemes were launched. Development is at the fulcrum of it all, is what the leaders have been saying. From coastal road to metro projects to several other infrastructure projects in Mumbai and Mumbai metropolitan region, definitely making lives of people easier, which is what led to the victory of this kind, is something that the BJP and several other Mahayuti leaders have been reiterating since this morning. So yes, a landslide, unprecedented victory, and in a way, this vindicates the position of the BJP, of the Mahayuti, and also in a way gives clarity on perhaps the identity battle, survival battle and prestige battle that we've been talking about since 2019.